Hey guys, today I'm walking through some freaking poison ivy.
We don't have poison ivy.
Well, it's the first anime twin here, and I'm here with the second anime twin and my sister. We're making a fire. You can already tell. And my dog got humped by that dog. Really, Jake? You had to do that. You pineapple.
Oh, yeah. Helping it burn.
Oh, shoot! Oh, it's gotten big. It's getting pretty big, to be honest.
That's not big. Big means long.
For a small fire.
For a small fire. Here, more.
Okay, now we put that in. Perfect.
Here, now get more wood.
Taylor.
Do you want a fire?
Yes.
Shut up.
Me?
Okay, we need to go to a skinny penis tree.
No.
Skinny penis tree.
Hold on, I'm gonna find some stickies. Put up my donut. Look at the pool. It's actually clear one for once. Wow. Ew, Ruby. The biggest poops I've ever seen. Look at that. Fudge.
What? It's not going out?
Here.
No.
You need to put it over by the flipper doodle.
I need a
Jake's such a natty
I
boy.
can use as a penguin. A penguin.
What? I'm recreating David Dobrik's time limit for vlog, which is 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Dun dun.
Oh, shoot.
Okay. That's working, actually. I mean, it's doing good. Throws hammer in the fire.
Yeah. I have an idea. Okay, get me some leaves.
They're all
Here,
around you.
over here.
Pick up.
We need some shoes.
Be honest, we do. What's that? Looks flammable. We'll
Oh
put it
yeah,
in.
put it in.
We're putting this in the fire. Looks flammable. Covered in brown leaves. Looks flammable. Aw, boy. Put it in. It's on fire still.
Crap. I think I
Okay.
extinguished some of it.
Isn't that working good?
Starting to burn. Here, alright, go get sticks, Ian. Here, y'all keep putting. Oh yeah! Y'all keep putting leaves.
I'd rather get leaves because we're right here. Oh. Turner's over here just sprinkling it in.
Crap. Wait, we can use that as a torch to ignite it more!
Dang, Taylor. I wouldn't try grabbing it out, so. Turner, you're blowing all the ashes on my sister.
That's it. We need
Well, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Bye bye.